Proppu is a one-stop shop for easy and profitable renovations. We do this with a networked marketplace, standardized workflows, and automation. Our mission is to make renovations easy and profitable for the buyer and seller. The problem is that renovations take longer than they should and cost more than they should. The problems start because the buyer and seller are not on the same page. Our solution puts the buyer and seller on the same page. We have technology that supports both parties from start to end. We include all relevant stakeholders too. And some key financials. Take a screenshot. Our competitors include SaaS tools for the sellers and marketplaces for the buyer. The existing SaaS tools are not for small companies and they only cater to a specific need. The existing marketplaces only support the buyer in the beginning